Hello, beloved bus browsers and coach crazies. This is Jeremy from Holiday Coach and Auto. In this episode, I'm going to tell you more about this 1998 Prevost H3-45. It's located here on our lot in North Carolina. It comes with a Detroit engine and an Allison transmission. We'll tell you more about that in a moment. Now, in our last video, we asked for comments, questions, or suggestions. Someone said that they would like to see under the bus inside the bays to get a better idea of how much room there is. So to show you that we're listening, here is one of the bays. You can see there's ample storage for your passengers and their goods. As we step around outside of the bus, let's tell you more about that transmission I was telling you about. It is rebuilt, which is actually a good thing. If you bought the bus that had one that was not rebuilt, that's more money that you'd have to invest. So this work's already been done for you, so you're actually kind of saving money in that aspect. As you can see, it's white on the outside, and it's had a recent paint job. The owner has a thorough record of work that he's had done on this coach. In one of our last videos, we asked for comments or suggestions. As a way to show you we're paying attention, somebody suggested that we take a look at the engine in action. So let's stop and do that right now. All right, now that we took a look at the engine, let's continue the rest of this tour. And again, if you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know. All right, as we continue walking around, let's look at the right side of the coach. Again, you can see the paint job has been done well, both on the top and the bottom. All right, let's go inside to look at things. There's the gray seat and the gray interior I was telling you about. Now here's the trays. The four lucky people on the front row have this extra storage area. All right, let's look overhead to see how it looks. Okay, now we see that. Let's go back down the aisle. Again, the gray interior and the color on the seats. Keep it zestful. All right, going back toward the bathroom now, let's open the door, get a look inside. But before we do that, here's a notification to let your passengers know, hey, someone's already in here. There is a long mirror in the back, as you'll be able to see. I just didn't want you to see me too much, so give you a peek inside. All right, coming back out again to look at the soft interior of the seats. Here you see the 5 TVs featuring the one up front in the center. Now, before we wrap up this video, bear with us as we show you the footrest, the overhead lights, and more about this coach. So here's the light for the passengers. Looking up, there's the view from the TVs. And let's look up in the room overhead. And before we head out, let's look at the driver's area. Watch your step, but be sure not to step away from this coach. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, give us a call at 336-808-0323. Go to our website, Holiday Coach and Auto, as well as be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more updates.